Dang it, my mind. Three things. It's an update for the M157. Oh boy. What? Yeah, I need the cap for the alternator, for the positive of the alternator. I need the cap for the positive of the starter. I need to change the plug for the AC compressor from the engine wiring. I didn't show that and it's broken here, so I have to replace this plug. Oil filter already put inside, spark plugs, coils, wiring, intake manifold, all back in. Yes, yeah, the plug for the AC compressor, like I said, they don't want me to put the turbochargers. It's fine. Most probably the owner, the customer, he'll gonna put his own turbochargers. I don't know. What else? What else? I secure the positive down there. Yeah. Okay. What's remaining? What is remaining? By the way, studs and nuts for the turbo. I have the new gaskets over there. Studs and nuts you can use again. There was a low mileage. It's not a high mileage. It didn't even warm up properly. So it's okay if you use again. No need to change the nuts and the studs for the turbo, for the exhaust manifold. So I have to make a checkup tomorrow. I need to put the belt. Did I mention the belt? I need the V belt. Let's go again from the beginning. That's for me. Let me throw the cigarette. 1 second. Okay, starting from the beginning. Putting the caps, one for the positive alternator, one for the starter. That's number one. Second, V belt. Third, plug for the AC compressor. Fourth, the heat shield for the starter. I need to put in place. I have to check it again. I have to check everything again to see that's okay, because it's different. If I close everything, it's gonna be fine, because if I put the turbos, I'm gonna put the oil feed, the oil return, the coolant lines, everything. Now without the turbos, yeah, the charge pipes, inlet pipes, yeah. In any case, anyhow, this is a small update. Alright, for the engine, I already tied the guided pulley here. It's already tight because I passed the pipe. Yep, it's fine, it's fine. I need to fix also 2 clips back for the wiring, yeah, because it's missing. Alright, that's it. One small update for this. Tomorrow when I'm gonna finalize it, we're gonna set again. Yeah, the half axle I already put it, the bracket for the front diff I already put in place, wiring's been routed, the bracket for the collector I already put over there. The heat shield, it's not being installed properly from both sides. What else? I blocked the vacuum pump, I blocked the intake manifold, fuel lines been torqued down, positive. There are 2 positives, right? Yeah, there are 2 positives. One is here, one is here. I use the cable tied, the original cable tied for the fuel pressure sensor here. This one. Alright. Again, I have to find tomorrow one plug. I have one wiring harness from I don't remember, is it CLS, is it the G63, I don't know, that if I found any problem, because from the transportation or something, you know, sometimes shits happen, I have one wiring harness and I'm getting plugs if I see any broken plug or something. That's it, small update. Okay, less than 5 minutes video, beautiful. See you tomorrow. What day is today? What in here? What day is today? Thursday. Still recording? Yeah, okay, Thursday today. That's it, thank you.